guys, so I'm just going to do a little video just to introduce you to our next new product. So our next new product is a new collection of colours. So we're coming into summer, so obviously we're going to do a summer collection for you. So our summer collection is called Beach Party, and this one is a little bit different. It's a 3 in 3, so I'm going to introduce you to them and talk about them as we go so you understand. So the first 3 I'm going to introduce you to is our 3 colours here. You can see them, absolutely gorgeous. So you've got Red Hot, we've got Pink Bikini, and we've got Tropical Blue. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop a coat on each of these. So I've base coated them first, done one coat for you. I'm just going to put a second coat on just so the video wasn't too long. So I'm going to do these first. So as you can see by the pigment in these, they're super pigmented, so you really don't need a lot on. That is just one coat. Okay, so as always with our very pigmented polishes, nice thin layers, and you'll have no problems. There we go, so there's one. Just gonna, flip it over. Just gonna move these and use this little stand so I can pop them in the lamp for you. So there's one. So our second one is Pink Bikini, which is a gorgeous pink. Absolutely love that blue, it's a beautiful blue. We're definitely needing something along those colours. I've got one lady who absolutely loves blue, so she's going to be thrilled. So another nice thin coat. As you can see, one coat of this would have been absolutely ample, but you know, rule of thumb is base coat, 2 coats of colour, and top coats, that's what we'll do. So there's Pink Bikini, and this one is my favourite, Red Hot. Absolutely love this colour. So again, nice thin layer. Again, I mean, this one was so covered with one coat, you really wouldn't have needed to, but we'll pop it on anyways. So these are just our normal original formula that, you know, we always do. So nice long lasting polishes. Clients are going to get a good 2 to 3 weeks out of them, you know, before maintenance is required, and they're going to be thrilled with these colours. These colours have been so popular when I've been testing them, so even though it's been winter, my ladies have still been happy to wear these colours. Okay, so I'm just going to pop them into set, 30 seconds as always. I'm just going to pop the tops on these because I will knock them over. Right, so our second set of this collection is a second lot of 3, which have these colours, and the difference is these are colour changing. So you've got 3, these 3, and 3. So the set together makes 6, and that is the collection, which is Beach Party, but we do them in 3 and 3 this time. So 3 of the normal and 3 of the colour change, and we thought it would mix it up a little bit, give you a little bit variation. So the first one I'm going to pop on here is Tequila Sunrise. So again, I've done base coat on this tip, 1 coat of colour, and I'm just going to pop the second coat on. What I'll do at the end is I will place them into some hot water so you can see the colour change. And this one goes like a peachy apricot, like a very peachy colour. It's very pretty when it changes colour, it's gorgeous. You get a beautiful ombre off it. So I'm just going to pop that one in there. Pop the lid on. This second one we've got here is called Mojito, which is a lovely green. And this goes to a very light minty green. It's like a yellowy green, I think, when it changes colour. So again, I'm just going to pop this on. So if you can hear any noises at all, I do apologise, it's just my little dogs. It is lockdown at the moment, so we're working from home. So I'm limited to what I can show you today, and obviously I'm working from my living room. So a little thin layer there. And the last one that we've got for you is called Woo Woo. Gorgeous pink. Again, lovely coverage, but I'll just pop the second coat on. So I know you're probably thinking, oh, these look like ones that we've got already in the collection. Honestly guys, they're not. as soon as we start to pick them, what we do is we get out all of the other colours that we've got similar, or ones that we think, you know, are going to be too close to, and we get them out and we check them all, so that we're not giving you something that's too similar to something we've already got. And honestly, we have nothing like these colours in the collection. We wouldn't bring them out if they did. There would just be no point. So we're just going to pop them there. I'm just going to take these guys back, pop them down, and I'll pop these 3 on for setting. I'm going to set them. Just going to pop on our non-white top coat on top of these, just to finish it off so you can see the full setting. There's 1. 2 and 3. Okay, I'm just going to swap them over there. Right, I'm going to pop them back in the little lamp. 30 seconds as always. Just going to pop the top coat on here. So these soak off exactly the same. There isn't any difference just because they're colour changing. You know, they're absolutely the same. With everything set in time, soak off the left. It's just the same as what we normally would do. With these, you do get a beautiful ombre, so where you've got warmth on the nail and then you've got free edge, you do get a lovely gradient ombre effect. So you can see that on the poster. If anybody's seen the poster and the beach party one on it, the model, you can see that she has got a beautiful ombre going on. Alright, I'm just going to pop those in for you. Okay, so there we go. We've got red heart, pink bikini, and tropical blue. Okay. What I'm going to do is just get this little cup. This is just a cup of water. I'm just going to pop it there. I'm just going to get a little bit of tissue so you can wipe these ones when they come out. So I'm just going to get them, and I'll dunk them in the water so you can see this one's already started to change colour, so you can see that it goes to this gorgeous pink. But I will pop them in the water so you can get a better look. There we go. So see better. So we go from this gorgeous pink to very light pink. Both colours are absolutely beautiful, so we're not going to have any problems, I think, with people wanting to wear these, because they're all stunning for summer. So this is the colour that it is, and it goes to this like very pinky peachy colour. Okay, that's 2, and then this is our original mojito, and I'm just going to pop them in there. And there he is there. Okay, so he goes like a very light green, yellowy green. So that's the 3 of them. So in total you've got the 6. So you've got 3 colours, 3 colour changing, and 3 of the normal range. So you will see some pictures popping up over the internet of what the ambassadors and educators have been doing with the colours, and I'm sure head office will start putting those on to start showing you the different effects you can get with these colours and the different styles. The girls have been working hard creating the pictures and stuff for you there. So there you go, you have beach party for the summer, 3 colour changing and 3 normal. If you need any problems at all or any help, then it's nail tech support at purenails.co. Thank you.